is Misty, and welcome back to my mini-series on digital transformation. To refresh, we at TRINUS describe digital transformation as modernizing your business model, products and services, and corporate culture by integrating current digital technologies and tools in an ongoing process. Today, I would like to concentrate our session on answering a few questions that have come up about digital transformation. Question number 1. How does AI play into digital transformation? To answer that, I would first like to talk about what AI is. AI stands for artificial intelligence. Think of it this way. Humans have natural intelligence. Machines have artificial intelligence. So the practice of AI is a machine having the capability to imitate human intelligence. Using math and logic, a machine simulates the reasoning that humans use to learn from new information and make decisions. If you have ever had a conversation with Alexa, Bixby, Siri, or Cortana, those are great examples of AI. It is important to clarify that you don't just go out and buy AI. It is just going to be slowly developed into the tools that you already use on a regular basis. Take websites, for example. Many now have chatbots that you can have conversations with, whether looking for information on a new product or requesting assistance with an issue you may be having. As you can see, AI plays largely into digital transformation. Those new tools that you adopt as part of your digital transformation roadmap to better engage with your customers and citizens or optimize your operations are often interlaced with the ever-evolving components of AI. Question number 2. What impact will digital transformation have on the smart city initiatives? Digital transformation will actually help you prepare for future smart city initiatives. If you have constructed a detailed digital transformation roadmap, chances are very high that preparing for adoption of future smart city initiatives, such as smart streetlights, or maybe even autonomous vehicles for snow removal or grass cutting, could be a large part of your extended digital transformation plan. They go hand in hand, and you can't have one without the other. Question number 3. Can you show me the features of Microsoft Teams? Now we are speaking my language. I enjoy teaching people about Microsoft Teams. It feels like Christmas morning. Teams launched in 2017 and is the fastest growing business app in Microsoft's history. Right now, I am going to give you a quick orientation overview of the application and describe some of the key features.
Dun da da dun! This is Microsoft Teams. Using the left-hand menu bar as a guide, let's start in the Activity tab. This is basically a summary of all the activity happening within your teams, such as new posts, comments, reactions to posts, missed calls, and more. Chat is where all the fun happens. Think of this as instant messaging. You can have a chat with one person or a group of people. With the integration of OneDrive working away in the background, you can share files in your chat and also keep things light and fun with emojis, GIFs, and stickers. The idea is for this instant chat to replace multiple emails going back and forth between coworkers. Here, everyone can easily discuss an item and come up with a decision or plan of action faster and easier than using email. You can also make an impromptu video or audio call to someone directly from this chat by selecting the video call button or the audio call button. Teams is similar to chat, but the conversations you have in here are a little more structured. You have more organization in this window, and your conversations are taking place in teams that you have set up to match the structure of your organization. So here at TRINUS, we have set up our teams to match the departments in our company. In each team, we created channels that are more specific to a project or topic. Think of the team as the filing cabinet and the channels as folders kept inside the cabinet. For example, in our business consulting team, we have the default general channel, followed by clients, dynamics, and then the training and processes. These channels are where the real collaboration happens. Using SharePoint in the background, you can upload files and co-author documents at the same time right within the app. You can also personalize each channel by adding regular visited sites as a tab for easy access, or other apps such as Planner or Lists to increase your team's efficiency and collaboration. Let's move on to Calendar. Microsoft Teams is also integrated with Outlook, so instead of opening your calendar in Outlook, you can see your scheduled meetings and calendar entries right here in Teams. You can also schedule new meetings, which provides a link to your virtual meeting to the other attendees. As soon as you create the meeting, you can start chatting with the attendees about the agenda, share the files that you need them to review, and keep track of the meeting notes and to-dos. You can also record meetings and view them later. Files is a window where you can view and edit and co-author all files that you have shared or been shared with you in your chats or teams. Calls with regular Teams license is where you can see a summary of all the calls you have made or missed. There is an add-on license called Microsoft 365 Business Voice, which is a cloud solution that lets you use Microsoft Teams as a fully functioning business phone. This can also include a handset on your desk if you so choose.
While on the move, you can stay connected and have access to your resources. With the Teams smartphone app, you have immediate access to your Teams app content, including documents. You can easily respond to chats and conversations, and also join meetings while on the go. That was a very quick and basic overview of what Microsoft Teams can do. Here at TRINUS, we can help you find the Microsoft license best suited for your business and procure, set up, and install those new licenses. We also offer training for new Microsoft applications. Think of it like driving a car. You do better after driver's training than if you were just chucked in the driver's seat and told to go. We also provide advice and tips on implementing user adoption because your employees will need encouragement using these new tools to their full potential. That is it for today. Join me again next week as we walk through the next steps of your digital transformation journey.